Hello, my name is Chantel Rhodes and I'm currently studying fashion design at TAFE Queensland. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a machine washable mask. Some of the things you will need will be 100% cotton for your outer layer, 100% cotton for your inner layer, some interfacing, scissors or snips, some pins, jersey or elastic, and a safety pin. The first step is to place, pin and cut out your pattern. Using this particular one, you will need to cut 2 pieces of your patterned fabric, 2 pieces of your plain fabric, and 2 pieces of your interfacing. I like to double up the fabric and cut the pieces out at the same time to save on time, and you will also know that they will be the exact same size when you do it this way. Step 2. With your outer fabric, place the 2 pieces right or pattern sides together and sew along the curve with a 1 centimeter seam. Clip the curve all the way down to create a smoother curve on the finished product. Step 3. Taking your inner layer of fabric, place no seam together and then iron on the interfacing to the top side using a high heat setting. Then take these pieces and place together with the interfacing sides facing out and sew these pieces again with a 1 centimeter seam and clip the curve again. Step 4. Now take both pieces and place the right sides together. Line up the top seam and pin. Then sew with a 1 centimeter seam. Repeat for the bottom seam, but not to the sides. Step 5. Turn the mask inside out and iron over the curves to flatten. Then mitre the corners at the ends with your iron and fold over. Iron, fold again, iron, repeat on opposite end. Then sew along the folded edges at each end. Always remember to go backward and forwards at the beginning and end of your sewing to ensure it won't unravel. Step 6. Using a medium-sized safety pin, pin on one end of the elastic or jersey and fish through the sewn end of the mask. Once this is pulled through, remove the pin and sew the 2 raw edges together with your sewing machine by going over it multiple times. Then just pull it through to hide the stitching. And there you have it, your very own mask. Please remember to follow Queensland Health guidelines on usage.